Okay, it's a real shame that you're not able to do this in school with real ray boxes, but this is a pretty good simulation of what you would do. It even gives better results. So you click on the grid, which is this line here, so everything's going to snap to one of these bits on like your graph paper, so you click snap to grid. Then you need to put in a line mirror, which is just a vertical line up and down the sheet there. It doesn't matter exactly where it is, just as long as it's roughly in the middle. You're then going to add a protractor, so you sweep across an area which will draw your protractor for you. You can move it by clicking on any bit around the surroundings there of the circle. You then need to pull the 0 round and extend it out a bit. The bigger your protractor is, the easier you'll be able to see the angles here. And then you're going to add in a single ray. So you click over here once, and then you finish off your ray over on the middle of the mirror, just where the red dot is. You can then, if you click on the first red dot, you can actually change the angle of incidence and angle of reflection. At that point, you want to uncheck snap to grid, so you can move the ray quite freely and change it by any number of degrees that you want there. Okay, because you're just going to get as many results as you feel you can, going with all these different angles of incidence and angles of reflection measured on the protractor.